Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Legend. The 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw is set to revolutionize urban transportation with its advanced electric technology, eco-friendly design, and cost-efficient performance. As the demand for sustainable mobility grows, this electric auto rickshaw is an ideal solution for city commutes, offering a perfect blend of affordability, reliability, and innovation. Designed to meet the needs of both drivers and passengers, the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw features a modern, aerodynamic body with a sturdy yet lightweight frame. Its sleek design is complemented by high-quality materials that enhance durability while keeping maintenance costs low. The vehicle's compact size makes it easy to maneuver through congested city streets, providing an effortless driving experience even in the most crowded areas. One of the most significant advantages of this auto rickshaw is its electric powertrain. Equipped with a high-performance lithium-ion battery, the Bijli Auto Rickshaw delivers impressive mileage on a single charge. The battery charges quickly, reducing downtime for drivers and ensuring seamless operation throughout the day. With rising fuel prices and increasing environmental concerns, this vehicle offers a practical alternative to traditional petrol and diesel rickshaws, helping drivers save money while contributing to a greener future. The electric motor in the Bijli Auto Rickshaw provides smooth acceleration and a quiet ride, enhancing passenger comfort. Unlike conventional rickshaws that produce noise and emissions, this electric model ensures a peaceful journey for both riders and pedestrians. Additionally, the rickshaw's advanced suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, making rides smoother even on rough or uneven roads. Inside the cabin, passengers will find a spacious and well-ventilated seating arrangement that prioritizes comfort. The ergonomic design ensures ample legroom and headspace, making long rides enjoyable. The rickshaw's sturdy roof provides protection against harsh weather conditions, while large windows allow for excellent visibility and airflow. The driver's cockpit is also thoughtfully designed, featuring an easy-to-read digital display that provides real-time information on battery status, speed, and other essential metrics. Safety has been a key focus in the development of the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw. It comes equipped with enhanced braking technology, ensuring precise control and quick stopping power when needed. The strong chassis and reinforced body structure offer additional protection in case of minor impacts. LED headlights and taillights improve visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing overall road safety. From an economic perspective, the Bijli Auto Rickshaw is a game changer for drivers looking to maximize their earnings. With minimal maintenance requirements and no fuel expenses, operational costs are significantly lower compared to traditional rickshaws. Government incentives and subsidies for electric vehicles further add to the financial benefits, making it an attractive investment for auto rickshaw operators. Charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding in urban areas, making it easier for drivers to recharge their vehicles conveniently. The Bijli Auto Rickshaw's compatibility with standard charging stations ensures that drivers can find a power source without hassle. Additionally, some models may offer swappable battery options, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Another notable feature of this electric rickshaw is its contribution to environmental sustainability. By eliminating harmful emissions, it helps reduce air pollution and improves urban air quality. With cities worldwide pushing for greener transportation solutions, adopting electric rickshaws like the Bijli Auto Rickshaw aligns with global sustainability goals. The affordability, reliability, and eco-friendly nature of the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw make it a top choice for urban transportation, whether for individual drivers seeking a cost-effective livelihood or city planners looking for sustainable public transport solutions. This vehicle offers a compelling option. As the world shifts toward electric mobility, innovations like the Bijli Auto Rickshaw pave the way for a cleaner, smarter, and more efficient future.